Hi everyone! Thought I'd try something different today. I've made a lot of videos in this last year since I launched my curl line, Love Your Curls. But you guys always ask for before after, so I thought when I washed my hair yesterday that I would do half my hair with our 3 steps and half of it just shampoo, conditioner, and no styling products, so you guys can see what my natural naked hair looks like, and the products, basically like my hair after I've done all 3 steps. Now, every time I make one of these videos, I read the comments below and there's always someone or a bunch of people that talk about my hair being fake or it's a wig or a weave, and I don't get that. So first of all, I am gonna show you my roots. All of this is my hair, and a lot of people have hair like this. It's a lot of naturally curly hair. I have what's known as 3B hair type. And even on this side, hold on. I don't want to disturb my curls and make them more frizzy, but you know, here you go. Roots. I don't know. What else do you guys need? If you guys want more proof, come on down to Toronto, come on down to our offices and you can play around with my hair yourself. But all my hair, I've had naturally curly hair my whole life. My mommy has curly hair, my daddy has curly hair, so of course I ended up with curly hair. My hair with no products in it. And by the way, when you start using really good products, sulfate-free, silicone-free, even your natural curls, they start to become softer and more manageable. So my hair with no products in it, I mean, yeah, it's a little poofy and frizzy, but it's not bad. I would rock this. You don't always need to put something in your hair, and that's the point. So this is my hair when I just shampoo and condition it, and I don't have anything in it. So it's soft because I've been using good products for some time now, but you could see there's frizz, there's very little definition, and it's quite poofy and dry at the ends. And when I use our 3 steps, so the Love Your Curls line that I've created consists of a sulfate-free shampoo, step 1, a silicone-free conditioner, and an all-in-one that's customized for different hair types. The one that I use in my hair and the one that you could see over here is our curly formula. Now, if you're on the cusp of hair types, if you are 2C or 3C, you can step up because we have different formulas. So we have our wavy formula and our kinky coily formula. Now, this is made for people with type 2 hair, naturally wavy hair. And the other one is made for people with type 4 hair, naturally kinky coily hair types type 4. But if you are a 2C and you want a little bit more definition, you can definitely step up to a curly. If you are a 3C, you can step up to a kinky coily. Now I'm gonna talk to you today about what our products don't do, because I wanna set realistic expectations. This isn't about overselling our products. I did not create a miracle product. Our products enhance what your hair naturally does. So as you can see, my own natural hair, and by the way, when I say natural, if you've been chemically processing your hair for a long time, bleaching it, like if you've just haven't been kind to your curls, it's gonna take time. It's not like you can buy our products and in one use, you're gonna see, you know, massive difference, and it's not gonna solve damage overnight, but with continued use, it definitely will help. So first things first, a lot of us with curly hair are so used to putting so much products on our hair that we forget what our own hair even looks like. So when you comment to us or when you write us and say, which one should I buy for my hair type, send us a picture, ideally with no products in your hair. That way my team and I can assess and recommend the right formula for you. So when you get out of the shower and you've shampooed and conditioned your hair, look at your hair with nothing in it. What does it look like? Because if you're used to using products that have a lot of curl activators and stuff that manipulates your curl pattern for extra hold or extra curl or extra this and that, then your expectations may be a little off from what our products are designed to do. So if you look at my hair with nothing in it, again, you can see that there is a little definition, but very little. There's a lot of frizz, but it's still curly. It's still curly hair. And what our products do is add moisture. Like this looks, let me turn on this ring light so you guys can actually see. Do you guys see that shine? It adds shine. It's super soft, like you can move your hair. This is not a gel. and it adds some separation, some natural hold and definition. There you go. So from this to this, not a miracle, not night and day, but just an enhancement of what you already have. Now I know that I see a lot of like people with barely wavy hair, and they buy our curly formula thinking it's gonna make their hair curly. It's not. If your hair is barely wavy, like a 2A, get the wavy formula, which is really light, and see what it does to your natural hair. It should enhance it. It should enhance whatever your natural hair wants to do. I can't predict what that is. So we gotta play around and see what your hair naturally wants to do. My hair goes from this to this. And again, it's not like it's night and day. It's still curly. My natural hair is curly. Now I get a little bit more definition. Let's see if I can separate out some of these. Now I washed my hair last night, guys. So I've slept on this. I've been playing around with it this morning. And yeah, you can see it's got some natural shine, some natural definition. I still have some frizz on top. Our products don't have the kind of ingredients that are found in like super strong hold defining gels. If you're super sensitive to frizz, you can use our Kinky Coily formula undiluted to smooth down the frizzy parts or your edges. Or you could just add a dollop of gel over the LUS if you're really sensitive to frizz. I'm not. Like this, even if it gets a little frizzy, I'm okay with it because look at this like shine and definition and separation that I can play with and move my hair, and it gets super healthy with continued use and over time. So yeah, this is my hair with all 3 steps. And by the way, guys, our steps 1 and 2 are important. If you're just using the leave-ins on their own, give it a try with steps 1 and 2 because this is what preps your hair in the shower. And believe it or not, this shampoo, which is sulfate-free, don't be afraid of the word shampoo. It just means it has cleansing agents in it. We have added moringa oil that I personally import from the best grower in Kenya. We've layered in moringa oil and shea butter, so you got something that cleanses away the dirt and oil and grime from your hair and scalp, but then we've layered in extra conditioning agents that will help smooth your hair and make it soft. And then our conditioner, guys, I tested these products. Like I spent over a year researching, talking to chemists, talking to different contract manufacturers across North America. And we tested this product for, I think it was like 8 months, and we failed 10 times until we got to this winning formula. I've never personally tried a conditioner that detangles hair as easily as this one. All of our products are water activated, so go to our website, lusbrands.com, and you'll see on there is a U plus LUS page, and there's a drop down. It's called the Big LUS info page. We have step-by-step instructions and an infographic. We have hair videos for different hair types. We've gathered everything up on our website, and you can see people with wavy hair using the products, people with 4C hair doing different twist outs and different styles using our Kinky Coily. We've made different products for different hair types because we all have different needs. Again, do not buy our products expecting that they will do something that your hair doesn't naturally want to do. They're not designed for that. They are designed to enhance your natural hair from this to this. That's all. It's not a miracle. It's not, it's not rocket science really. It's just an enhancement of your natural hair. And again, I've been using these products now for over a year. Your natural hair will get better with use. I just read a comment on our Facebook page on the review section. Somebody bought our products in December. She was like, yeah, they were okay at first, and now we're in April, and she's been using them continuously, and she says her hair has changed. So go on over to our review section and read those. Those are real people. We've got good reviews, bad reviews. We've got them all, so go check them out. I'm just a real curly girl that got fed up with trying different products, this product, that product. Nothing worked after 20 years. So I spent all my own money, my own time, researching, talking to chemists, interviewing, digging into this whole industry. And I made a product line that I firmly stand behind. And it does take some trial and error because these are designed differently. These are water activated. You need water for these to work. And there's also a method to the application. So you gotta work the formula into your hair. Okay, so I've actually done my cousin, like my own mom, when she applied the products at first, it didn't work on her hair. And then when I do it, it turns out really good. There's a picture, I'll see if we can find it and throw it up on here, where on the left, she's using our curly, and you can see what her hair looks like when she does it and what it looks like when I do it using the exact same formula. Same thing with my cousin. She has wavy hair, and when she does her hair for the first time using our wavy formula, it didn't turn out so great. And when I do it, she actually has curls. Like, she never knew she had curly hair in her life, and our wavy formula brings out her natural hair. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, comment below. I read the comments. My team reads the comments. If you need some one-on-one help, PM us. Send us an email. We are always here to help. We are a group of wavy, curly, coily girls just here to help our community and to keep it real. I hope you're all doing amazing. I hope you're loving your LUS. We are running out of stock all the time. So yeah, I guess you guys are loving your LUS. Thank you. And yeah, you know what, guys? Once in a while, just wear your hair natural. Don't put any products on it. Not the end of the world. Curly hair is beautiful. Don't mind the frizz. Frizzy hair is not the end of the world. And if you want a little bit more definition in your curls, yeah, use some LUS. You can finger coil. Let me actually, we don't need it. See that shine? That's not a wet look, guys. That's just shine. That is like healthy, soft shine. And that's it. So let me see if I can do. There you go. Enhancement, not a change, just an enhancement of your natural curls. Have a great day. Bye.